Hi and welcome back to Real Life Clean Living. Today I'm going to teach you a quick and easy way you can create some rice in a pressure cooker. Today I'll be using jasmine rice, but this technique works best with any white rice. If you're wanting to cook brown rice, you can do that in a pressure cooker, but you will need to change up the technique. Stay tuned for videos coming up because I will be teaching you how to cook brown rice in a pressure cooker with a new technique. Are you using a pressure cooker? Well, leave me a comment below and tell me what kind you have. Okay, enough of that. Let's go get in the video.
Start off by measuring how much rice you'd like to cook. Here I did 4 cups. Thoroughly wash your rice. This will remove any starch that's collected on the rice, and you don't really want to cook that in the water. Go ahead and add it to the pot. Then add equal parts of water. So if you did 4 cups of rice, do 4 cups of water. Go ahead and close the vent on the lid, lock it into place, and set the timer on high for 2 minutes. So once the timer goes off, you're going to let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then you can move the lever on top of the lid to release the steam. Or if you wait a little bit longer, you can let the steam actually naturally release. Then you're ready to serve. And there you have it. Delicious fluffy rice, ready to enjoy with any meal. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you liked it. Subscribe for more clean living content. And as always, stay real and stay clean. Thanks for watching.